Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to view transaction history on Tenbit. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and we need to simply search for this link, that is tenbit.co.uk. After which we get into interface like this. After that, make sure you are logged into it. Now over here on the top right, we can see our profile name and click on account details over here. Now this tab will be opened and over here we can see this transaction history option. Simply tap on that and here we'll be able to see all of the details of our transactions. Now in last 24 hours the transaction period is given and you can change it up to 6 months or any other period as well. And you can choose the transaction status as well, and all of the list will be given if you have done it already, and simply click on export to export the history. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.